Hello everyone, this is Ken. I would like to introduce this brand new MIG 5 kg welding machines for you. And on the tops we can see this handle is very unique. This is our unique heat dissipation window for cooling system, and this one is spliced plastic shell design. Currently, no other supplier has similar designs. We are the only one have this design in this market. In the front of these machines, we can see there are 4 buttons here and 2 knobs here. 2 knobs is for adjust current and voltage, and 4 buttons for controls the functions. On the other side, we can see these casings can be customize your color, and it can be different from the casing. You can choose this blue, red, and yellow, whatever you want. And let's see inside, and we can see that this wire spool is used for 1 or 5 kg welding wire, and this is metal welding speeder. For these models, we can use dual voltage. You can use 110 voltage and 210 voltage, and this is switch. The colors, you can choose whatever you want, the color. And this socket is for MIG. It means when you use MIG functions, if you want to add gas, you can put the gas in. And this is cooling system. And we can see this is a fan here, and inside we have another cooling system which make the duty cycles higher. This is our best selling model right now. Selling well in the Americas, Canada, Japan, and Europe. I believe that purchasing these machines will greatly boost your business. If you are interested, please contact me. This is Ken.